What's up guys, my name is Fan and welcome back to 12 Days of Chelico. Today is day 3 and I'm going to tell you stuff that I do that other people find weird. So firstly, I like to start with the ways I sleep. A lot of people have told me that I sleep like I'm having an exorcism or whatever. Like I sleep like this or I don't know. I sleep in a weird position and I guess they're comfortable for me. You know, when a person is bored, they like play games, you know, listen to music, study. But when I'm bored, I clean. I don't know why, like I like to have everything clean. Whenever I say that I want to watch, like for example right now Frozen 2 just came out, I want to watch that, Maleficent or whatever, they keep saying that I watch kids movies. I mean, yeah, they're meant for like, let's say 12 plus, and I'm in the plus, so I'm going to watch them. I don't care what you're going to say. Now this is like the thing people feel most weirded out is I can't make eye contact with them. So you know, I can talk to myself, to the camera, I can talk to no one basically. You have a conversation with someone and whenever like they look at you in the eyes, I cannot look back. I feel weird looking somebody in the eyes. I can hold eye contact for like 3 seconds, even less. More than that, it's not possible. I also like maths, science, chemistry, physics, biology, and people just look at me weird. I don't know why. Like, I like sciencey stuff. Now this is the weirdest things you're going to hear today. I don't like sweets, I don't like chocolate, I don't like cake. I mean, I like cake, but I don't like too sweet stuff. Now a lot of you will agree with me, but a lot of people find it weird that I don't like to read, but I actually like biology, science, and all that stuff. I mean, in biology and stuff you have interesting stuff. So this is like a weird thing because I'm a teenager and I should be doing this. I don't go out much. I like to stay at home. I'm an introvert, of course. I don't like to talk to new people. I can't even make eye contact with them. I mean, sometimes I do go out, but it's with people I've known for like forever. Now, some will agree, some will disagree, but winter is the best. I prefer winter instead of summer. I love the snow. I love rain. I don't like the sun because it's too hot. I don't like summer. I mean, summer is okay, like for getting a tan, you know, traveling. But you can also travel in winter. But I prefer the winter because holidays and stuff, like you can look at this. This is just beautiful. My thoughts are in English, like I could be talking to you in Macedonian, like processing the stuff in English. English is my second language. I don't know why even my YouTube channel, it's in English. I don't know why. Since I'm a legal adult, I can drink, but I prefer not to because alcohol has a weird taste for me. I don't like alcohol. I mean, for like my birthday, yes, I'll drink. For New Year's, Christmas, whatever. Yeah, but like every day, that's disgusting. Now, this is like a stereotype. A boy should like cars, sports, whatever. I don't like talking about cars. I don't care about cars. I mean, yes, I do want to drive and that's it. I don't care how many horsepower is the car. I don't care how much it goes. I don't even care about sports, soccer, football, I don't know, basketball. I don't even care. I know they're playing with a ball. I used to train like soccer, basketball. Maybe that's where the hatred came from. I don't know. This is really weird. I'm a perfectionist. I can't leave something unfinished. Like even if I do finish it at some point. I also love to cook. I love to experiment with food. Coming from a country like Macedonia, you would think that I would be religious. Yes, I am Christian. I'm an Orthodox Christian. I do celebrate Christmas, Easter, and those are my favorite holidays because we decorate for them. But I don't go to church often. I'm just here for the holidays, you could say. And the last thing, I like change. The change I'm talking about is like you see the room like this right now. You come here in 2 months, it will be the other way around. I love to change things up. I don't like them being the same. That is it. Hopefully I didn't weird you out. You'll stick around for the rest of the series and don't forget to leave a like and also share it with your friends. My name is Stefan and I'll see you all later. Bye! Stay strong!